In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Getresponse email autoresponder. By the end, you'll have an automated email ready to send to your subscribers without you lifting a finger every time someone joins your list. First, let's open the autoresponder tool inside your Getresponse account. Once you're logged in, head over to the main menu and look for the section called Tools. From there, select Autoresponders. This is where all of your automated messages will live. On this page, click the button that says Create Autoresponder. You'll be asked to give your autoresponder a name. This name is just for your internal use, so choose something that helps you recognize what this message is for, like Welcome Day 0 or Offer Follow-up. You're the only one who will see this label, not your subscribers. Next, you'll set up when and to whom this autoresponder will be sent. Under Autoresponder Settings, find the option for Linked List. This is where you choose which email list or audience should receive this message. Make sure you pick the correct list, especially if you manage multiple lists for different products or audiences. Now look for the field labeled On Day. This controls the delay before the email is sent. If you set it to 0, the email will go out immediately when someone joins that list. If you set it to 1 or a higher number, it will wait that many days before it sends. For example, on day 1 means it will send 1 day after a person subscribes. Choose the timing that fits your overall email sequence strategy. Just below, confirm that the timing option is set to immediately under the Send Message section. This ensures that on the day you selected, the autoresponder goes out right away rather than at some later time window. Once your schedule is set, it's time to design the actual email. Click on Design Message. You'll see a gallery of ready-made templates. Choose one that fits your brand or the type of message you're sending, then click Use Template. This loads the template into the editor where you can customize it. Edit your content to match your goal. Update the subject line, add your text, adjust images, and make sure your links are correct. Keep your message clear and focused so new subscribers know exactly what to do next. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Next. On the final screen, review your settings one more time: your linked list, the day timing, and your message details. When everything looks good, scroll down and click Save and Publish at the bottom of the page. Your autoresponder is now live and ready to automatically send to your subscribers based on the schedule you set.